Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about my chin filler experience. So this is what my chin looks like after 11 days. The other side. So hindi ako nag-vlog for over a week just for the healing time. I was swollen and bruised as expected. In fact, makikita nyo sa side na to, there is still a little bit of bruising going on, but this is nothing compared to last week. So the bruising has drastically gone down after 7 days. I will insert some clips that I took during my healing period para makita nyo yung kaibahan from then to now. So I went to see Dr. Tony, who was amazing throughout the whole process. He explained everything to me, making sure that I know what I'm getting myself into.
Fillers, there's always risk and side effects, okay? My job is to make sure that it's safe, make sure nothing bad happens to you, okay? But it's also to teach you about everything that can go wrong with fillers. The reason why I teach you this is so if anything happens to you, then you can see the symptoms, you let me know and we can dissolve it straight away. Okay? Fillers are safe because you can dissolve it. Make sense?
Yeah.
Because you put it in, then you can get rid of it straight away. So if something goes wrong, you dissolve it, it goes back to normal.
Okay.
Yeah, same thing with lips, with nose. If something goes wrong, you just dissolve it. That's why it's safe, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, in saying that, your chin will be red, swollen and bruised, okay, for up to 7 days. What you can do to help with the swelling is what?
Ice.
Correct. Very good.
Yeah, I've been studying.
Yeah.
And the whole process was painless because Dr. Tony used a numbing cream. At the same time, he used local anesthetic, so I won't feel a thing during the whole process. And if there's anything, it was the feeling of discomfort as soon as the needle touches the skin. But the process took around 25 to 30 minutes, and what's best about it is the result was instant. So soon after the procedure, kitang-kita mo na kaagad yung resulta. It's just like buying a new chin from the shop. But after the local anesthetic wear off, oh my god, that's when I felt the pain. Sobrang sakit niya, guys. It was throbbing pain too. Hindi ako makatulog the first night because my chin felt so tight. It seriously felt like I have a ball stuck sa sa chin ko. The next day, that's when I noticed the bruising and the swelling. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, this is it. Ito na yung side effects na sinasabi ng doktor. The bruising and the swelling. So I just took it easy that day. But as the time passes by, nafe-feel ko na talaga yung discomfort, yung super tight ng chin. Oh my god. I noticed that the bruising got worse. So straight away, kinunta ko yung doktor. I took a photo of it, sinend ko sa kanya, sabi ko, this is the update, do you think this looks normal? So, pagkakita niya guys, nag-reply siya kaagad sa akin. Straight away, sabi niya, can you get your husband to take a video of it na ipupush yung chin? Kasi it was parang ano siya, nag-iba talaga yung kulay niya guys. Daddy Mike to do it for me, and I sent it to him to assess. And he came back to me saying, how far are you from the clinic? Do you think you can come tonight? So straight away, nag-drive ako papunta doon para agad-agad ma-check niya kung ano yung nangyayari sa chin ko. And I was so relieved when he said that it's okay. It was severe bruising, but he said, trust me, I seen worst. And I also learned that doing chin filler while you're having your monthly visitor, it will make your skin more sensitive. Or kahit hindi chin filler, like anything that involves needle, magiging sensitive talaga yung skin. And after that unplanned visit, binigyan niya ako ng cream na makakatulong daw sa bruising, which is this one, is the After Balm Pure Arnica Extract, which did wonders. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is magic. So my 3 besties during my healing process were, first this one, ice. Kailangan mo talagang i-ice yung whole area, and paracetamol. So the doctor told me to take 2 tablets every 6 hours for 5 days. May nagtanong sa comment section ng why did you have to do it? So guys, just letting you know, it's not a necessity. It's something that gusto kong gawin to make myself happy. And why not, diba? And I think na-share ko na sa previous vlog yung reason ko na I felt like I am lacking a little bit of length sa bottom part ng aking face, and also I wanted some side profile going on. So I'm gonna tell you what I mean by that. So if I look that way, as you can see, well, I'll put like a photo on the side as well, photo that I took before the chin filler, so makikita nyo yung difference niya. So if I look that way, now you can see na meron na akong ano dito, like projection dito sa aking chin. Diyan. So my face doesn't look like more round kasi meron na siyang point dito. So how many mils or syringes did I have to achieve this chin? So if napanood niyo yung previous vlog, Dr. Tony said if I get 1 mil, it's not worth it because I'm not going to get the result that I want. So we ended up doing 3 mils. And the next question would be, how much will it cost? How much per meal? So different places, they charge you different prices, but with Dr. Tony, they charge 450 Australian dollars per meal. So you do the maths. The next question would be, how long will it last? So Dr. Tony mentioned to me that he uses thicker filler. So this one will last, should last an average of 1 to 2 years. So it will dissolve, guys. So this is not permanent. Although after 1 year or after 2 years, you can always top up. And the next time that I do it, I don't need to do 3 meals anymore. He said you can just do one every time you want to top up, like, you know, in 2 years time. And if you are breastfeeding just like me, it is safe to do so. So that's one thing that I asked the doctor at first when I inquire about chin filler, if it's okay to do while breastfeeding, and he said it is safe to do as long as you are generally healthy. I also asked him about one thing that really scared me. It's the migration. So migration is when the filler move around, because obviously I heard, you know, horror stories about filler na nag-move dito, na naging double chin siya kasi nag-move yung filler dito. And he said to me that it shouldn't happen if your injector or your doctor will do it properly. Some people may not see the difference, and I understand because it's just a subtle change. Hindi naman ako nagparitoke na dinagdagan talaga yung, kasi they do that, they do like chin augmentation, like they put something here to make your chin look nicer permanently. But chin filler is only to add volume to certain places in your face, which in mine, sa aking chin. I appreciate everyone na naka-appreciate, na sinasabi nila na they can see the difference and that it looks nice, it looks good, it makes me look better. Sobrang saya ko guys na makatanggap ng comments na ganun. But as mentioned sa previous video ko, I know very well na may mga incoming bashing and negative comments. May mga nagsasabi na fake, vain. But I totally understand guys, it's not for everyone. It's not everyone's cup of tea. But instead of leaving negative comment para masaktan ako, why not try to learn to be happy for someone's happiness? Let's spread love, not hate. And that brings us to the end of this video guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching and you learned something. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye! I love you all. Mwah.